Hello from the Women's Real Estate Network. My name is Deborah Razzo and I'm the founder. If you're new to our WREN channel, don't forget to subscribe for the latest WREN news. Well, welcome to the Ignite the Unconference. It's just under a week away and attendees have already started interacting with our conference app, Whova. They're mingling in chat rooms and having live virtual meetups and checking out our virtual exhibitor hall. So I just wanted to make sure that you knew all the tips and tricks of Whova. And to do that, we're going to bring on Angela, our San Diego chapter leader, to walk you through. Enjoy and have fun this week. Connect with lots of other women.
Hi ladies, Angela Silman here, your San Diego WREN chapter leader. I'm excited to show you some tips and tricks about how to use Whova and connect during our Ignite Your Fire Within, the Unconference. So once you have the app downloaded or you access Whova via the website, via your desktop or your laptop, you'll be able to see the agenda, engage with other attendees, and even visit exhibitor booths. But let's start with the agenda. So if you click over here, you'll be able to see the list of sessions, the times that they will take place, what the topics are, and when you click into a session, you'll be able to see more bio information about the speaker. This gray box is where the presentation will play during the session time. And then over here on the right, you can ask questions during the sessions, and we'll have moderators to help answer those questions and respond. We have a chat area very similar to normal Zoom where you'll be able to respond and engage with not only the speaker, but also other attendees. This community area is really cool, but we'll let Rochelle talk about that here in a minute. The attendees section lists all of the attendees that are registered for the event. So make sure you upload your own profile, picture, and bio information so that everyone knows who you are, what you do, and what are you aspiring to do or looking for. What's cool with Whova is that you can send a message to any attendee who's registered for the event. You can start a chat conversation between you. You can even schedule a virtual coffee date. So be bold, contact someone, and engage. Our exhibitor section has all of our chapter leaders, our sponsors, and our speakers each have their own exhibitor booth. You'll be able to virtually attend an exhibitor's booth, see any media content that they have available for you, view all of their contact information, enter any deals or raffles that they're presenting, and download any handouts or information. You even have the ability to chat directly with the exhibitor. When someone sends you a message, those will be cataloged and organized here in the messages area. This is where you'll be able to have those private or group chats between other attendees, speakers, or exhibitors. So exciting. Whova will definitely virtually connect us all. So make sure once you get that invitation, you download your Whova app, you find the event, Ignite Your Fire Within, and start connecting. I look forward to connecting with each of you.
Hi, good morning, everybody. My name is Rochelle from the Seattle chapter WREN. I am looking so forward to seeing you at Ignite. Hey, but before we talk about that, want to make sure that you download the app, upload your profile. From that, there's actually a community board. So the most important part of this networking and getting to know everybody and each other is to go ahead and post questions, post topics, respond to, suggest, offer help. So anyway, it's super, super powerful. So again, looking forward to seeing everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.